Well, hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Maddie and I'm back with another video. Today guys, I'm here with a kind of a small haul of some affordable products I ordered online. You know guys, I have been trying out a lot of affordable products to see how they works for me and to also share them with you guys so you guys can see what products that I'm using. Today I will be sharing some items from Beauty 21 Cosmetic, and these items are by LA Colors, but it's from Beauty 21 Cosmetic. And I ordered these online under the LA Colors Cosmetic website, and I don't know why. Maybe Beauty 21 Cosmetic is one of the stores that carry it. I'm not quite sure why, but yeah, this is not a sponsored video. I purchased all of these items with my own coins. So I wanted to share them with you guys on what I got. And I also picked up some things from my local beauty supply store. And I just thought I would share those as well. And yeah, I'm going to go ahead and get started. And I wanted to do this unboxing with you guys. Let me find some scissors to open this box, and I thought I did have scissors in here somewhere, so we're gonna do this together. And I don't know if you guys heard about the LA Colors matte foundation. I have been using the ones that I purchased from my local Dollar General store. They didn't have my shade, so I wanted to try some more shades online, so I did purchase those shades to see if it matches my skin tone. So for the first items, before I get to the boxing, I want to share with you guys some concealers that I picked up from my local beauty supply store. And I tried them, and I think they're pretty good. So far they are. Well, I tried them once, but first of all, you guys, I want to share with you some items that I picked up from my local beauty supply store first. And they are some concealers. They are a contour kit. And what else did I get? Oh, I bought some other things like Got To Be glue and also the freeze spray, and got some wig caps. And I also picked up some knee-high stockings from Walgreens to do the stocking method, the ball stocking method with those, because I did see that on a video on YouTube. So I went in and bought some of those, and I got 3 for like $2, I think. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Okay, the first 3 concealers that I got by Absolute. One of the beauty bloggers that I follow on YouTube, she did share some of these on her page. So I said I was going to check my local beauty supply store to see if they had some of the same concealers. And they did. And these are by Absolute. It says that it's Radiant Covered Brightening and Lifting Concealer. So I did get one in medium. What is this one? Medium warm. And this here is the box that it came in. And then I did get the one, I got one in deep warm to kind of contour with, but it's a tad bit lighter. I'm going to go back and get the darker shade. And I paid $4.99 each for each one of these. I'm going to try and see if I can find online, because it might be a little bit cheaper online. But I know I have to pay shipping. But these here was $5, just say $5 for each one of these. And they're very small, and it don't look like it has much in here. Let me see if I can see what the fluid ounce is. I have it somewhere here on the screen so you guys can see, because at this point right now I cannot see. My eyes is like playing tricks on me. So I have medium warm and deep warm, and I also got, which was this one, tan, and it's still in the box, and I got in the shade tan. That might be a little bit lighter color. And I also picked up another one by Absolute. It is Click Cover Concealer. It's lightweight, full coverage, and it's more like a corrector concealer. I wanted to do a lot of unboxing with you guys. I like to do unboxing videos. If you do, guys, comment down below and let me know that you like to see unboxing videos. So I got this one here. And let me see what shade I got it in. It says medium yellow undertone. And they did have a peach, I think a peach yellow undertone or something like that. But I'm going to try this one just to see. I will be sharing some of these items in a video so you guys can see how they work. And I also picked up some primer spray and some setting spray. And it's by Jackie Cosmetics. I've never heard of it, but this here's the primer, and it says makeup primer spray, long lasting, enriched with aloe vera and paraben free. And for the setting spray, it says long lasting also, enhanced with aloe vera and silica, long lasting and paraben free. It's by Jackie Cosmetics. Might have been $4.99, $5 for these, both of these. And because I know everything wasn't over a big amount. So for the next item I picked up was by Kiss Professional New York. It is a contour kit. And you get a brush that comes with it. And I have tried it. And guys, I love it. I thought it was pretty neat. And I paid $12.99 for this one. And I have the deep. I had mine in deep. They had medium and then they also had deep. These here are some of the shades. This is what the packaging looked like. And when you open the package, it's like it's here. So you did get like a small contour brush. And it has Kiss Professional New York on it. And like I mentioned, I paid $12 for it in the shade deep. So this here is the palette itself. This is the packaging. And this here, I did move that film off. Well, the film is here. You get a mirror. And then these here are the shades. And you did get a highlighter. And I have some highlighter on today. It's just kind of subtle. It's not real wham bam in your face. It's something that I like wearing to work. So yeah, I think this was a good buy. It was $12 by Kiss. So I think that's all that I got from there, I think. I'm thinking, y'all. And if you're wondering what lipstick I have on today, it's a very affordable lipstick. It is $1 by City Color Be Matte lipstick in the shade Marissa M28. I do have a video on all of these lipsticks, so I will have that video linked somewhere here in the iCard, somewhere in one of these corners, so you guys can go watch it. And yeah, I love this lipstick. It's so pretty. And I'm a little bit greasy today. I don't know. I'm just getting home from work, and I kind of want to share this with you guys before I remove my makeup and everything. Let's see what we got. I did get a card said makeup. Said I love makeup. And here's the list of things that I did get. And they got everything all packaged up real nice, you guys. Check it out. Got it all packaged up. So I've taken everything out of the box. So we're going to go ahead and get started. And let me see what we got in this package. And if you guys hadn't seen their new foundation, I picked up me some, like I mentioned, in Dollar General store, but they wasn't my shade, so I had to go online and see if I can find some that would match my skin tone. So they got everything all packaged so well, y'all. So these here are the Okay, this is one shade that I have in the foundation. And this shade here is so this is one shade, and I have everything listed on the screen so you guys can know, and also down below. So this is one shade. Then I think I got 3 foundations. This here's another shade. And let me see what else did I get in here. And I do have some more shades. I have one of the shades I have 2 shades in Radiant. Because they do have matte, and I got these 2 here in Radiant. If any of you guys don't know, I kind of like the dewy look, so I got these 2 in Radiant. And then the next one I have, this might be something else. I'm not sure if this is foundation and this stacked with that. I have the Illuminating Skin Enhancer. And I have this one here in the shade Sun Goddess. So that is in that package. So I'm going to go into the next package right here. And let's see what we got here. Okay. And they do have their contour palette in Dollar General as well, but it's not the shades that I need. I think they are medium shades, and I needed more of a darker shade, even though my skin might look, well, I'm a little bit lighter toned a little bit, but I don't need nothing that's not going to show up on my skin. So these are some affordable items that you can go out and purchase. And this here, I got this contour palette, and I have it in the shade Deep. And so for the next few items that I have some more. I have another foundation in matte, and they got everything packaged so well, y'all. So this here is another foundation in the shade Warm Caramel. I have this shade here. And let me get the other shades. So these are the ones that I picked up from my local Dollar General store. And I just mixed both of these together. And this one here, they are Truly Matte by LA Colors, long wearing, high pigment foundations. And I have this one in Deep Tan, and this one here in Cappuccino. So what I did, I mixed these 2 together, and it kind of gave me a nice look. So yeah, and I think it worked out. But I did want to try the Warm Caramel. So I got 3 now. So if these don't work, I'll try to order some more to get my perfect match. Or maybe I might have to mix. I didn't really want to, but these are the matte shades, and these other ones was the Radiant shade. And then I did get some pigment powders. I have by LA Colors. All of these are by LA Colors. And I have Ocean. It's a pretty blue. And then I have, you can kind of see the top. And this one here is Glam. These here are some pigment powder for your eyelids. Okay, and next I did get a face powder, because I did want to try out their face powder, but the ones that they have in the store, it's not my shade. So this one here is by LA Color, the Mineral Press Powder. And I have it in the shade Toasted Almond. So we're going to see if this really works for me. And I will come back and we do a tutorial on me using some of these products, because we're going to try these out, these bad boys out. But we'll try it out. It's going to be like trying out some new products, see how they work. Is there a hit or a miss? So we'll see. Well, okay guys, that concludes this here haul that I had, and then some affordable makeup products. And I did share some affordable makeup products in another video, and I also have it listed in the iCard so you guys can go watch that one. It's more in a vlog kind of. And if you guys like me doing these kind of videos, please don't forget to comment, thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already. And also hit that post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload content. So guys, until next time, you all be blessed. And don't forget to be a blessing to someone else. And I will see all of you in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.